Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnaan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, before getting started, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you 4 Instagram tricks which you might know, and if you don't, consider subscribing and leave a like, and if you know it already, make sure you leave a comment, and also if there are new tricks, just post them in the comments. We'll add them in the next one. So guys, first of all, let's open up Instagram and then head on to whatever we do. So first of all, first things first, I'll show you how you guys can send animated text messages to your friends. So suppose this is the account I want to send an animated message to. So I have a good morning message or good evening something, and then after typing in your message whatever you need to type, then click on the search icon, and there are these animations, different animations available. So if I send a gift one, if suppose there is a birthday and you send a happy birthday message and someone taps on it, the message gets popped and you get a message sent with animation. So again, if I send someone you are awesome and then put up fire on it, that's also possible, and you guys can see how the fire is burning. And this was the first trick. Let's move on to the next one. So guys, now someone has sent us messages, and then how do I see them without letting the person on scene? So for that, you'll have to open up the profile of the same person and then go to the profile section. Not from here, you have to use the search icon over here from the home option. Search the account and then go and restrict them. After you restrict them, the account has been restricted, and now you can't access them through the DMs. The account will be missing from here, and then you will have to go to the request section over here. In the request section, the account will be seen and you can read the messages they have sent, and then after reading them, you shouldn't unrestrict it from here. You have to go back and find the account again from here and then unrestrict the account to go back there, and the messages would be unseen there. So let's move on to the next trick. So guys, how do you save a reel directly from Instagram without using third-party apps? Third-party apps and websites collect data that is harmful for your device and you as well. So for that, you will have to open up a reel that you would like to save and then share it to your story, and then you don't have to post it on your story. Just hold on. I'll mute it because of copyright issues, and then you'll have to zoom in the whole thing to the whole screen, and then click on you can just play it. I'll reduce the volume. You can just save it to your gallery, and now the reel would be saved on your device with the audio. So it's processing, let it get processed and save completely. Video has been saved. So now I'll open up the gallery, just a second, and as you can see, the reel is here. Oh, the audio is missing. I thought the audio would also come. Sorry for the third trick, it didn't work as expected. And let's move on to the next trick, by the way. So the fourth trick is getting DMs from a celebrity. So first I'll open up a private account and then send it to my account. Now suppose I need a message from a celebrity, or you want a message from someone, and for that you'll have to send in something, hi, and that's the message that will be seen on screen. So you'll have to hold the account and then you'll have to mark the message as unread. That's also gone. I don't know why, what happened to Instagram.